with my friends Sindhu and Ayushi who are yet to arrive here. But so context, on my birthday I wanted to come to Kopitiam now with them, but because it started raining so heavily in Bangalore, we had to cancel our reservation and we shifted it to today because it's a holiday for all three of us. And now we're here. I'm just waiting for the other two to arrive. And since I last came to Kopitiam now, which is one of my favorite restaurants in Bangalore, I have become vegan, so we will see what I can make out of my lifestyle now and what I can have. But yeah, I'm very excited and welcome to vlog number 2 of my life. Had our lunch at Kopitiam La. I think it was wonderful. What do you think, Sindhu? The first time visiting my favorite place.
It was good.
Okay, and now since the kitchen was closing in 1 minute, we thought we'll depart and we'll head to Latte & Co, which is also another place on our list which we wanted to try. So Ayushi is just getting onto her scooty and we've booked an auto to head there. Hello, we have reached Latte & Co. It's right behind us here. And we're just, Ayushi, would you like to join the vlog?
Yeah, she's here.
Sorry? Yes.
She rejected. She didn't agree to take us. No, actually she rejected on the idea of going triples.
Obviously!
Yeah, she was okay on taking me triples.
Oh yeah, I was fine.
Yeah.
You could have gone.
Then it would have been doubles. What's the point?
It's not triples about this, we sit on.
Yeah.
We could have done doubles. That's what I'm trying to say.
No,
Nevertheless, we have reached our location. We will see what we're going to try. We're not so sure yet because we had a mid coffee right now, but the tango, whatever you want, tropical tango something was very good. Suggested for sure. So yes, let's see what we're going to have now.
Okay.
And we will report back to this vlog.
It's a fluffy mocha.
Woo, cute. Okay guys, so I have decided to walk down to Pibbles Bakery while Sindhu and Ayushi are coming on Ayushi's scooty, and I just spotted a very cute butterfly. It's so pretty. Nevertheless, I am walking down to this vegan bakery so that Sindhu can have some ice cream, and I will see what to have, but I'm probably going to convince her to have a sundae, but we'll see. So guys, now we're at Pibbles Bakery while Ayushi is just going through her Pinterest downloads. We got the Lotus Biscoff sundae. So I think it has a brownie. No, I don't think that. It's pretty evident that it has a brownie. Lotus Biscoff ice cream and this caramelly sauce.
That's Biscoff sauce.
This was Sindhu's choice. Let's see how it is.
Yeah.
Trying to fix a phone here so we can recreate a photograph from 2024. We've been doing this for about 5 minutes now. Hopefully we have a setup that works. We shall see. So Ayushi has left. Sindhu and I are waiting for our auto, who is almost going to be here, and then we will also leave.
Yes.